Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're already surfing around Google, Bing, Yahoo, search engines like that, and you want to start making some extra money on the side, maybe you have a little side income coming in, online job, well, I'm going to direct you to two companies right now. They're actually paying an hourly rate for surfing around the internet, mainly the search engines online. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money, though. You're going to have to put the work in, hustle on this. So if you do want to get some information on passive income, $200 or $300 consistently coming in to you daily, well, then click on the link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Every day I like to come out with great new videos for you, online jobs, home-based business, work from home, just anything to help you have success online. Hit that subscribe button. There's a bell next to it. Pop that real quick. Then you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you. So how to make $15 an hour surfing on Google without any experience. Well, you don't need experience. The only experience you need is knowing that you can take your computer and you can surf and you can go to these places, like Google, Yahoo, Bing. And what you can do is you can actually help these companies, these big search engines better, like get their quality of their website better. So there's two companies right now that are doing this. There's actually quite a few of these, but these are going to be the two best that really going to pay the best, and they're going to be the best quality company out there. The first one is going to be LeapForce. Okay, so LeapForce, if you just go to leapforce.com, this is going to be the first website, and what LeapForce is doing is they're looking for people to help them go to search engines like Google, like Yahoo, Bing, and they're going to evaluate different searches. Here's what you got to understand. There's people that are all over the world, and Google and them, they have their computers and they have their algorithms that go out and do all the things on the search engine, but they still need humans to interact and see certain things. So there's people in different parts of the world that could see the search engine and how it comes up on their computer. Maybe people have bigger computers. Maybe people have smaller computers. Maybe people have slow computers. How's that look? Or what if you're in a Spanish-speaking country? How does it show up on Google and the search engine? So there's going to be mistakes. There's going to be issues that come up, and you're going to help these companies find these, and you're going to get paid to do that. So if you go to LeapForce and you just go up here in the right-hand corner, go to Work at LeapForce. It's going to walk you through everything you need to do to get started. It's going to explain everything, how to get set up and how to get going on this. You can look at the requirements to set this up. So you're going to need, obviously you're going to need 18. You're going to need a high-speed computer. You're going to need certain browsers like Google Chrome. Google Chrome is free. You don't even need that. You can just go right to just type in Google Chrome inside of Google, and you'll be able to pull it up and get that onto your computer. You are going to need some antivirus software because you want to make sure your computer is free of any viruses. So there's a lot of good anti-spyware software out there. I use a Mac, so I don't really tend to. I have my own software, but with Windows, it's going to be a little different. There's a lot of good ones out there. I'm not really sure with Windows right now what is going to be the best anti-software, but there are a lot of good ones out there. Just do your research on that. But you are going to need to find, a good anti-software. Make sure your computer is clean for this. You don't really need any requirements. There's not really a lot of skills with this. You're just going to need to be able to surf around, look at different things, and be able to pick up on the things that you see that are going to be issues that these companies are going to need to know about, because then they can go and they can fix them, and then their surfing experience is going to be a lot better for people out there. So how to become an agent? You just click on Become an Agent up here, and they're just going to look for your different languages. This is LeapForce Home Independent Agent. So here's United States, Russia. There's a ton of them in here. Belgium, you name it. You can just scroll down here and find the one that's for you. And you just go through, and as soon as you find your country, then they're going to give you the job description here and what you need to do. And you just click on here to get started with this and fill out the information and go forward. Once you get approved and you get up, they're going to start paying you hourly with that. They're going to start to deposit that into your account. through your banking. If you have a banking, they're going to work with you to try to figure out the best way to pay you out. Mostly it's going to be deposited into a, like a checking account or a savings account. Now the next one, so just make sure you head over to eliteforce.com. You can get started with that. All right, so the next one's going to be Lionbridge. And the Lionbridge is a really good one too because it's the same type of service, but they're going to have, I feel they're going to have a lot more opportunities with Lionbridge. So what you want to do is just go over to Lionbridge. Up here is going to say careers. You just click on careers. And then you're going to come down here. It's going to say work at home opportunities. You're going to click on that. And then once you get to this page right here, current opportunities, you're going to see there's going to be there's going to be buttons that pull up where you are in the world. And you just pick out your country here. So I'll just pick out United States. Okay. And then the US ads evaluator right here. So you're going to click on this and you're going to go through this information here. So they're going to pay hourly and they're going to, you're going to get feedback on different search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Bing is a big search engine that Microsoft owns. Yahoo obviously is, I believe Microsoft owns Yahoo now, but I don't really know who uses Yahoo anymore. I know people use Bing and mostly Google. So that's why surfing around on Google is going to be what you're going to be doing. Now, all you're really going to be doing is you're going to go to Google and let's just type in something like, let's just type in how to make slime. That one's the first one popped up right there. So this would be something that you would do. You would surf around on Google and you would come through here and you would find different mistakes that you feel aren't going to be set up. And you can also come here and if you say how to make slime and you come to this page and there's really no information about slime, maybe it's totally different, maybe the links are different, that would be something that you evaluate, and would be something that you would give information to both LeapForce and Lionbridge, and you would become the evaluator. So that's what you're going to be, really looking at. So you see right here with, if you come here to how to make slime, there's really no ads for this. Let's see here, how to make slime, no glue. All right, so let's see here, how to make money online. Let's just do that one really quick. See, right now there's not a lot of ads popping up for me right now, so that could be an issue because Google needs to run ads. They need to pop up that up. So right now I would evaluate this and I would say, you know what, I put in this keyword and there's no ads even showing up for me. So not sure why, but there should be a couple of ads here at the beginning. Down 1, 2, 3, there should be a couple of ads. I know if you go to the search results and you pull that up, you might see some different ads. So let's look at, I'm going to do here. Let's go to Google. And let's type in, all right, so what I did was I used incognito mode, which kind of clears out the cookies and cache in my computer. And now you can see there's ads right here. See this, here's an ad here. So you can see that this pops up right here. It pops up real nice. It looks good on my computer. It looks good on my browser. This would be something that I would evaluate and I could give feedback on that. And then I could make an hourly rate for this. So I would give feedback saying, hey, I had to go into incognito mode and I had to show up ads right there. My regular mode was not pulling up ads for me. So that means that my browser cookie and cache was not cleared out, and that's why it's not showing ads. So then Google would come back and they would figure that out and they would make adjustments to their search engines and obviously throw some ads in there. And that's how you would get paid. That's how you become an evaluator. All right, so that's all you gotta do is just go to LeapForce, go to Lionbridge, get set up. You should be making some money on an hourly basis with them. If you want to get some information on passive income, well, make sure you hit the link in the description below because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your business and your success online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next one.